KEAM answer key has been released, but the big question is, when will KEAM 2026 result release? Can the result come earlier than expected? And how will your rank be calculated? Look, if you appeared for KEAM 2026, you need to watch this video till the end because here you'll get the complete roadmap from answer key to result and your next step. So the KEAM 2026 provisional answer key has been officially released by the Commissioner for Entrance Examinations or CE. It is available in shift-wise and day-wise PDF format, and the best part is no login is required to access it. You can simply visit the official website, open the KEAM candidate portal, download your respective answer key and calculate your estimated score, that is 4 marks for each right answer and deduct 1 for each wrong answer. No marks are deducted for unanswered questions. If you find any mistake or discrepancy in the answer key, you can challenge it online by paying Rs 200 per question with proof. Now, the most important part, the KEAM 2026 result. Usually, KEAM results come in May, so this year also the result is expected on or before May 10, 2026. Now, let's talk about the result process. First, you'll get your scorecard with your normalized marks. Since the exam happens in multiple shifts, normalization is used to keep things fair. Your final score will be out of 300. After that, you'll have to submit your class 12 marks. For engineering and pharmacy to be included in the rank list, you need at least 10 marks for engineering and pharmacy. You can check your result only on the official website cee.kerala.gov.in. On the home page, candidates have to access the link for the candidate portal. After that, enter the KEAM application number and password. Under the login, candidates can check their KEAM scores. Keep your login credentials ready as the result can be released anytime now. Also, rely only on the official sources and calculate your estimated score in advance to understand your expected rank range. But what if your KEAM score turns out to be low? Getting into a top college through counseling can be difficult. However, that does not mean you have to waste an entire year. There are so many good private engineering colleges that accept students with lower scores. In fact, some colleges even offer admission without KEAM scores. If you want the complete list where you can get admission with a low score or even without a KEAM score, then WhatsApp KEAM at 8585951111 for free guidance. All the best for your KEAM 2026 result, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Shiksha channel for more such updates.